So with the amount of traffic that's on the road now, especially with high curbs, potholes, it has been damaging a lot of these wheels. Now that we have AlloyGators on board with us, especially against the curbs, it hits the AlloyGator rather than the wheel, and it certainly does what it's supposed to. So what we do now, we do a protection pack. So we add a few more products to the AlloyGators. So we end up doing a promotion where we add dash cams, AlloyGators and rear cameras to the vehicles as well, just as a protection against the car when people are on the road. Protection against the alloy wheels. The amount they're costing now to refurb these alloy wheels are quite expensive. And for the price that we can sell these AlloyGators for now, it's a huge saving and protection. So we've had a lady that's been in it before. She's had a few cars off us. She hasn't experienced the AlloyGators, but we have just put on her new car. Her alloys have always been hit. Unfortunately, that affects her part exchange price. Now we've added these on as protection. When she comes back to us in the future, we can give her a bit more for the money because she hasn't damaged the wheels.